This course will take you through the process of setting up Hibernate, mapping objects to relational tables, and querying those objects using Hibernate's query language. We'll start out with the module you're currently watching, where we'll learn a bit about what an ORM is and what Hibernate does and get it set up with MySQL as our database, as well as learn how to set up the Hibernate configuration. Then, in Module 2, we'll learn about one of the key parts of Hibernate, mapping files. We'll learn the basics of creating a mapping file that maps a Java class to a SQL table, and we'll learn how to do some basic storing and retrieving of data using our mapping files. In Module 3, we'll continue our education about mapping in Hibernate as we learn how to model relationships between objects and relational tables in our mapping files. We'll learn how to map different kinds of relationships, like one-to-one and one-to-many, and get into some of the complexities of mapping files. Then, in Module 4, we'll learn all about querying using Hibernate. We'll learn the basics of using the Hibernate query language to query objects stored in a database, and see how to use the criteria APIs to create complex queries. Finally, in the last module, we'll take a brief look at some advanced topics like caching, transactions, and interceptors. We won't be going in depth into any of those subjects, but we'll be learning enough about them to understand the basics and when they should be used.